Hello friends, welcome back to Income Sense channel. Now remember, I had shared 25 different ways in which you can generate a side hustle, passive income or part-time income. Those who haven't seen that video, I'll put the link in the description section. Click on the link and watch that video. That is very interesting. Well friends, today's video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to share some of the examples of my personal income which I received from these 25 different ways. Now remember, I'm working full-time, so the amount of time I devote to the side hustle or passive income or side activity is minimal. But if you devote more time, then the earning potential could be much higher. And what I would like you to do is stay tuned to the end of the video because I do have some bonus tips during the video and towards the end of the video to make sure that the earnings potential are maximum. On that note, let's get started. So friends, the first website which has actually paid me well is Swagbucks.com, and this is the landing page of my account for Swagbucks.com. What options you have here is the simplest thing you can do is you can answer surveys. If you are shopping online, then there are discount coupons available if you shop online. And the other options here are what you can do is you can go to like play some games, install some games, and you get some points out of this. Now for you, the simplest thing would be to go to answer, and over here if you just click on, let's say, about a 4-minute survey, which is going to pay you about 20 points. Okay, and this list is big one, so you can actually go and keep as many surveys as you want. But what I want to show you is my own earnings potential here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into activity, and in activity I'm going to say, let's say, last 3 days. So if you look at last 3 days, what I have done is I had some surveys which I got disqualified, but I was still paid, let's say 3 points or 1 point. I was qualified for one of the surveys which paid about 20 points. And if you look at 17th of July, I had made 1,000 points which I redeemed for a PayPal $10 voucher. Now this hasn't impacted my account as yet, but this is one site which has been there for many years and has been paying a lot of customers worldwide. So I would highly recommend you to start using this, and the moment you reach 1,000 points, you can redeem $10. If you have 2,500 points, you can redeem $25. And if you have 5,000 points, you can redeem $50. And again, this is not restricted to PayPal. When you actually go to rewards and you go to rewards home, they have a lot of options. You can redeem for Amazon, you can, they're there globally like Euro, UK, and they've paid so much money to the customers. Now the bonus tip here is very important, is you can go into your account and you can refer friends. So what's going to happen is the moment you refer somebody, if that person starts using it, you're going to actually receive a 10% additional points on that person's personal usage. So let's say he actually made 1,000 points, then you're going to receive 100 points out of this. Now this is where we can help each other. I have put in the referral link of my own Swagbucks account. You can click on that link and register for yourself, and then similarly you can send this out to others and they will be earning 10% for you. Now it doesn't mean that you keep referring people, it means that you work and you make sure that others also work for the same reason. So the next one which I want to share with you, and again part of the entire list of 25, this is another one which I've been using in my part-time, is called Yougov.com. Now Yougov.com is a website which is there in multiple countries, and what you're seeing on the screen right now is I have made about 2,780 points. As you can see here, roughly I need about 2,200 points for me to redeem a reward. Now what are the rewards? So when I click on explore, you can see that if I make about 5,000 points, I can redeem this for a Singapore dollar $25 voucher for PayPal. The other option is you can also do donations. So if you have 5,000 points, again you can donate 5,000 points for a 8-week treatment package of emergency nutrients for one malnourished child. So very good way to kind of be socially responsible by doing donations in your part-time, sitting virtually at home and making some money. So let me explore a little bit. The best part about Yougov is when you go into account and you go to account history, is none of the surveys actually get rejected for you. So whatever they send to you on email, you need to click on it, and then you will make sure that you keep receiving about some of the points which you see here, like 240 points on 15 July, 240 points on 16 July, and 240 points on 19 July. So virtually every day you fill 1 or 2 surveys, and then you will be getting those points. Again, in my sense, since I'm working full-time, I've missed a lot of emails, but you can do a lot more better than me and reach that 5,000 point mark. So this is another exciting website which I highly recommend. The bonus tip here, it also has a referral link. So you can click on my link so that I earn based on with your blessings, and then you can pass on your own referral link to your friends so that they can start earning for you. Let's look at the next one. Remember, if you're good at doing tests like software tests or application tests, this is another interesting website which can pay you. So it's called as UserTesting.com, and it is quite famous globally as well. What you get is something like this, like you have to answer some questions, like in this case, do you or anyone in your household currently work? So if you answer some of these questions and if you qualify, they will make sure that you get a test, and this 15 to 20 minute test which you give by giving feedback on, let's say, a website or certain things which could be better in the website or application, they'll pay you $10. Yes, they pay you $10 for a 50 to 20 minute test. That is really nice and quite amazing. To add on to this, what I want to show you is my own personal test which I have given. So when you click on completed tests, you will see that I've been giving tests now and often whenever I get time. Remember, I'm working full-time, so this is again a part-time activity for me. But if you're doing this full-time, this is quite a good way to earn some major income. So you see, I've been giving tests almost every 2 to 3 days. So 20th of June, 23rd June, 24th June, 27th June, 30th June, 7th of July, 15th July. All of them, they have actually paid me about $10. And some of the other, like for the people who are giving tests, they also can give you feedback. So here they gave me a 4-star rating, which they were quite happy about my feedback. So this is another one which you can utilize. You create your profile here as a tester, and in some of the areas where you can do testing for websites, applications, or even retail products. And they do have moderated sessions. So if you click on available tests, they do have certain moderated sessions over here where you can, like, let's say recruiting now for a $30 session next week, you need to screen here. So the moment you click here, and if you satisfy the criteria, you could be part of a $30 moderated session from here. So this is a very interesting one, and as you can see that I have made a lot of money by almost every day giving 1 or 2 tests and generating some side hustle. Friends, whatever I showed you today was on the respective websites, and this is just 3 examples out of the different 25 ways which I have been personally using as well. What I want to show you is the fact of the matter is, did you receive the money? And this is the payment proof. What I have done is I've logged into my PayPal account, and as you can see, I have filtered out on user testing, and all the proofs which you saw on the user testing website eventually got credited into PayPal, and then PayPal is linked to my bank account, wherein in no time I received the money into my bank account. So what I want to highlight is whatever I showed to you, those 3 examples out of the 25 different methods, all of them are legit, and even the remaining 22 are legit. So I highly recommend you to watch the 25 websites, 25 ways in which you can money video, so that you can make maximum money during your part-time, or even you can utilize this for full-time. Friends, those who watched this video till the end, I want to thank you personally for recognizing the content, and I hope the content was very useful to you. But don't go away as yet. What I want you to do is put the country from where you're watching into the comment section. Also mention some of the websites which you've been using, and it has helped you make money. Now, how this is going to all benefit all of us is, number one, others will get an idea on which other websites to use, and everybody can make some passive income or side hustle. On that note, if you like the content, please like, share and subscribe our channel, recommend to your friends. Until then, for the next episode, stay safe, stay healthy, adios.